Hello, this is the Morning Gardener, and I'm in the Walmart store here. As you can see, the shelves are pretty stacked right now. And this is some of the stuff I'm growing this year. Bell peppers, cucumbers, onions, tomatoes. And let's see, look at some of the prices here. Bell peppers, 92 cents each. $1.47 per pound for the tomatoes. And oh yeah, my favorite right here, I'm growing corn this year as well. And corn looks like it was 75 cents. And now the corn here, well, it's kind of not as fresh as it could be, but it's 75 cents. Rollback. No, 50 cents, excuse me. Let's get it right. And I got the onions here. And look at it, all kind of vegetables. So the shelves are stacked right now. You're not going to see anything dramatically change for at least another 2 months. And then you're going to see all this gone, and a lot of it won't be coming back anytime soon. And we have these watermelons here. They're about the size of a man's hat, 7/8. And that's the price on each one. They were $8.97. Now they are much cheaper. Oh yeah, now here's something I'd like to get today, because all I want to do is grow the seeds from it. And these are $5.17 per box. I might get one because all I want is the seeds from it. Because you can grow your own fruit from the seeds. And you got the blueberries. They are blueberries are I don't see the price on them. So right now we're stocked up in Walmart. This is one Walmart I went to this morning, and they're stocked. We got a couple shelves that are empty. We got the jalapeno peppers. Oh, there we go. Jalapenos. They kind of big size ones here. Cilantros. Cabbage. So all this is going to be marked up. This is the Morning Garden.